my name is Yukimi. I have been in Ikebana for 50 years. Ikebana is a Japanese art flower arrangement. Ikebana has a long history dating back to Heian Jidai. Today we will learn the basic and make a simple Ikebana. The base container can be anything. Every Ikebana must have a subject called the shushi and an object called kyakushi. The shushi must not be more than twice the length of the container. The shushi must be placed slightly upright with an angle of at most 20 degrees to the vertical. The kyakushi will be placed at the 45 degrees angle. Finally, we will also pillar stems, also called chukanshi. Thank you for watching. ありがとうございます。